You had dinner, maybe even a late night snack. You go to bed, and the next morning your blood sugar is higher than expected. What does late night eating really do to your blood sugar? Let's break it down. When we say late night eating, we are not talking about 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. automatically. What matters more is timing relative to sleep. Eating within 2 to 3 hours before bedtime gives your body less time to process glucose before your metabolism slows down for the night. At night, your body naturally shifts into rest and repair mode. Insulin sensitivity decreases, digestion slows, and your liver continues to release small amounts of stored glucose to maintain energy while you sleep. If you eat close to bedtime, you now have glucose from food plus glucose from your liver. That combination can push morning readings higher. The same meal eaten earlier in the day may affect your blood sugar differently than if eaten late at night. Our bodies tend to handle carbohydrates better earlier in the day compared to late evening. Now, someone may ask, what about fruits at night? Fruit is healthy, but fruit still contains natural sugars. If large portions of fruits are eaten close to bedtime, especially fruits like bananas, mangoes, pineapple, or even grapes, they can raise blood sugar overnight. It's not that the fruit is bad, it's portion size and timing that matter. Now let's talk about teas at night before bedtime. Unsweetened herbal teas are naturally fine and often calming. The issue is what gets added to them. Sugar, honey, sweetened milk, or flavored syrups can add hidden carbohydrates that affect overnight glucose levels. That doesn't mean you must never eat after 7 p.m. or that one late meal will cause diabetes. Patterns matter more than one isolated night. If you notice higher morning sugars, try finishing meals at least 3 hours before bedtime. Avoid sugary drinks late at night. Keep late snacks smaller and protein focused if needed. Monitor patterns over several days, not just one region. Late night eating affects more than just weight. It can influence how your body handles glucose overnight. Understanding timing helps you make smarter adjustments. Once again, if you want clear, evidence-based explanations about health and medicines, please subscribe. We give you clear facts, no fear, and no myths.